the first thing you have to learn with graphs is how to plot a coordinate. So for this one, for example, is 4, 3, and we're going to plot these on a normal 10 by 10 axis. So you might want to have one drawn out ready, or draw one now and pause the video to understand this. So 4, 3, when you were in primary school, you would have learnt that this is in this first quadrant here. You would have only ever looked at this one, and you would have learnt something like go along the corridor and up the stairs. And that's absolutely fantastic until you start looking at these parts of the graph. So what we normally say is each coordinate has an x value and a y value, and these correspond to these axes here. So we have the x-axis going along horizontally, and we have the y-axis going up and down in the vertical direction. So we say in the x it is 4, so we go along the x until we find the 4, and then we go up and down the y until we find the 3, which is here. And it's where these two meet, so we go up and across, they will meet there, and therefore that is the coordinate. So along the corridor and up the stairs it works. However, if we look at this one, along is now not just right, it can also mean left. And up the stairs no longer happens because we're looking at -6 and this time -5, so we're actually going down. And where these two meet is here. So rather than thinking along the corridor and up the stairs, you might want to just say, well, it means along or up and down, or just go in alphabetical order. The x is first in the alphabet compared to y. So we do that one first, and then we do the vertical direction. And you'll see this skill comes across in lots of other things that we're going to do. So here's 4 coordinates. Why don't you have a go at trying to plot them yourself, and then when you're ready, hit play and see if you got them right. So 7, 1, so it's 7 in the x and 1 in the y, it's there. 0, -4, so we're not going along at all, but we're going down to there. 1 left and 9 down, will take us down to that point, and -6 in the x, and 4 up would take us here to this point there. So if you've got that, you're ready to move on.